So I just boarded the Celebrity Ascent. I'm so excited for you to come take a look at our room. This is an Infinite Veranda suite, and we have a modern design, upscale, great space in the bathroom. You have the shower, lots of great space, plenty of counter space for all your products, extra outlets, everything you need for a good bathroom on a cruise ship. And as you come through the room, plenty of storage, so many storage spans here. Storage is so important on cruise, drawers, everything you need here. We have our menu of items of things that we can do and see, the entertainment, what we can do on board. We have our nice seating, beds, perfect. Then you make your way over to my absolute favorite part of the room, which is the Infinity Veranda, where the ocean just comes into your room. So I'm glad you got to see this Infinity Veranda suite on the Celebrity Ascent.